Hey everybody, today we're in a Hyundai Ioniq. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855593. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering right here. Now you'll want to remove that covering before you attach the mount to the dashboard. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second is you want to make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to fit right on this passenger side center vent. So the first thing we want to do is insert the bottom part of the mount, and there is a small lip you can see right between the two pieces of tape. That is going to fit into the seam just inside the vent here. And it's basically the seam between the glossy part of the dash here and the actual inner vent flashing. So you just want to insert that until it sits in place. And now we just want to press on the upper part of the mount until this top side also snaps into that same seam on the top of the vent. There we go. Now the mount's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.